In this video, we'll see how to start up your Rover Pompey self-priming electric pump. In the box, you'll find the user manual and the catalog, a suction filter, hose connectors and ring nuts, the electric pump, Start by installing the hose connectors. Insert them into the ports, screw on the ring nut, and secure the hose with high-quality metal clips. Make sure all connections are tight. Before starting, completely fill the pump body through one of the two hose connectors. Filling it is essential to allow self-priming. Connect the plug to the power supply. The unit is now ready to run. The pump is reversible. Push the button to the right for clockwise rotation and to the left for counterclockwise rotation. The middle position is stop. After use, flush clean water through the pump to remove any residue. The pump requires no lubrication. The motor is designed to operate without maintenance. To clean the exterior, use a slightly damp sponge and dry immediately. If the unit stops working, unplug it and check the instructions in the included manual.
Rover Pompey. Not just machines, but tools you can trust.